Hi everyone, a very warm welcome from Emerge India Foundation, Public Charitable Trust, inspired and blessed by our beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It gives me immense pleasure to share with you the objectives and activities of Emerge India Foundation, which are to ignite the minds of 127 crores of people of this nation, and also to see India as the greatest economy and a superpower by 2020, and a small recapture. And the second phase is, we said, what do we do? The ideas into valuable invention. First stage is emergence of ideas, and this stage is ideas into valuable invention as a product or as a process or an improvement or a change or simply a value-added activity or simply an improvement or a development. And that's the second phase. And now we'll take a small break. This idea, so if we recapture whatever we have seen, we have done the self-introduction, we have done that, we have related with the corporate and also the NGOs, why corporates are able to do greater and NGOs, and why in spite of 200 for every 200 person on NGO and 70 years of working hard efforts, and why we are not and accomplishing greater results. And also, and we have seen the ideas emergence, and we have seen the left side, right side and the whole brain activity, and we have seen the three pillars and three platforms and the scientific approach. Why there is a need for scientific approach when we are not able to get the result of what we have been doing for 70 years, and we were feeling free to take a scientific approach as an option, and we are feeling free and we are okay. And it is perfectly fine if it yields the results as long as it adds value to the people, as long as it transforms the people's life, it is perfectly fine. And this is what we were open, all the NGOs, we all intended to take part. And why it is important to get connected, all the 127 crores of people, why it is important, and super genius or super rich is crafted, it is everybody's birthright. You are having the right to become a super rich and a super genius. And we have seen why it is, how it is possible. And we have also seen that the ideas more and more, the well that is more and more used, it secretes more and more. And see, now please take it very carefully that all this workout, it is a very great personality development. It gives you a very great, a quantum jump your personality level. What is that level? See, for example, what is the reason why we are like this? Why the society, Indian society, the people are like this? And so many questions, yes. And the complete transformation happened by working on these ideas. This new wisdom is that for every situation, and you have a pattern of response, you have a pattern of reaction. So now the very first thing it generates proactiveness in you. You are becoming more proactive than reacting the situations. How you are becoming more proactive and then reaction, because reaction is bad. Reaction is the lower level of acting on it, lower level of demonstration. See, you should be proactive. And how be proactive, how many thousand times I say also, because the pattern is set. For every stimulus, there is a response that you had no choice. So far, you have been allowing your mind to take control of you, your mind to take charge on you, your mind to master you. Now with this ideas, empowerment, awareness about ideas, a new pattern, and you have a choice. That between a stimulus and for a response, you are choosing a choice. Yes, I am going to respond differently. So far I was responding with anger, with jealous, with frustration, with vengeance, and with so much of negativity, with so much of grudge, and so much of laziness and procrastinations, and so much of ungratefully I was reacting to it. But I am going to be proactive, because for every stimulus and a response I have a choice. Now I have learned the choice, and I have started mastering my mind, and my mind is able to choose the choice. I decide what to response to choose, and I say the mind, you wait for a while, I'll come back. So you, like that, you are overtaking your mind. Now the mind is like a snake, it went inside its box and it is keeping calm and quiet. Otherwise, earlier it was like this. Before you, when there is a stimulus, the mind comes in forward and it decides and it overtakes you, and you had no choice, and you react to it and get into trouble and put everybody into trouble, put the nation as the reactive nation. Now this goes and calmly, it stays the mind. For every situation, your response, for every stimulus, your response, you are exercising a perfect control. You are deciding what is the response I should do it for this, and you are telling the mind to stop. If you tell the mind to stop, it automatically stops. If you tell the mind to start, it starts. So you have mastered your mind. This is a great achievement. See, this mere self-help books, mere personality development, any amount of books you read, they'll tell be proactive, be assertive, be awareness, and be completely positive and so on, but you have to work back for that, and they don't tell you that secrets, and you have to work for it, you have to practice for it, you should be trained for it, and you should be doing it on a continuous basis. Then only all these things that I have told the titles is going to happen in your life. We have shown you the way. We are going to show number of ways, and because our ultimate aim is to see that everyone is into the system, we all get connected, we all the ignited minds, we will do come what may. We will take this last bus which is available in front of us for Vision 2020. And we are not going to say any excuse, and we are not going to say any blame game. And this is what the other benefit that you are enjoying now. And now, I will say that we will take into, because we have not seen the root causes analysis, we have not seen what are all the root causes and how are we going to make the permanent preventive action. The very first thing we have seen is the brain level working, and this is also how this is going to be a permanent solution for some of the problems. But this is definitely a major area which we will have to do. This is the first step. This is preparing the platform, preparing the base. It is a building block for us to accomplishment of the goals and accomplishment of permanent preventive. This building base has to be built, and we have done the building the base. And now